Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion Key Fob Easy Guide. Start by removing the emergency key from the fob and use a small flathead to gently pry open the case seam. Carefully note battery orientation and replace with a new CR2032 cell, ensuring the positive side faces up. Reassemble the case, test button functions, and cycle locks to verify the fob communicates with the car. In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion Key Fob Easy Guide. Insert a thin flathead into the seam and twist gently to separate the halves without forcing them, then lift the circuit board straight out. Note how the battery sits and the orientation of small clips or springs, and avoid touching circuitry with bare hands. Set the board aside on a soft surface and remove the old battery by sliding it out from beneath its retainer. In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion Key Fob Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: if you find this useful, please subscribe and like, and consider the handy leak-proof containers I mentioned for easy meal prep. They're great for busy folks who work on cars and kitchens alike. You'll find the product link and other deals in the description below. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion Key Fob Easy Guide. Place the new CR2032 battery in the tray with the correct polarity and ensure it seats fully by pressing gently on the edges. Reposition the circuit board over the battery and check that no wires are pinched. Then snap the case halves together until you hear the tabs click. Test each button from a short distance to confirm the fob is transmitting as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.